Hello students, how are you all? So this is our chapter 3rd of EVS of class 4th, that is the sense organ, and this is our part first. Okay, so let's start our chapter, that is sense organ help us to feel our surrounding. We have 5 sense organ. First I tell you that we all human beings, we are having 5 sense organ. Okay, all of you see this picture, that is eyes, ears, nose, tongue and the skin. These all are the 5 sense organ. Is it clear? So the eyes help us to see. Through eyes we are seeing. Okay, the ear help us to hear. The nose help us to smell. The tongue help us to taste. The skin help us to feel different things. Is it clear? So through the sense organ we feels our surrounding. Okay, so are you understood this much? Now next is eyes. We have 2 eyes. We read books, watch movies, observe the beautiful nature with our eyes. You all are having eyes now. We are having 2 eyes. Through eyes we are reading books also, we are watching movies also, and we are observing natural nature. Okay, that is our nature beauties, enough. Yes or no? With our eyes. Is it clear? Now next is taking care. Okay, how should we take care of our eyes? First point is we should wash our eyes with clean water. Is it clear? We have to wash our eyes with clean water. Never rub the eyes with dirty hands. Okay, we should not rub our eyes with dirty hands. Is it clear? While reading, we should ensure that there is sufficient light. Okay, there should be a sufficient light. Okay, reading in dim light strains the eyes. Okay, if there is a dim light, so it is stress. Okay, it become stress over the eyes. Is it clear? Now next point is watching television or working on computer for a long hour also strain the eyes. It should be if we are watching too much TV, okay, too much television, and we are sitting too much on computer, so it is also strain our eyes. Strain means it should be painful to our eyes also. Okay, now next is a good night sleep is very important for keeping the eyes fit. Is it clear? Now next is there is one question for you. Tick on the activities in which you see your eyes. I'm repeating this question again. Tick on the activities in which you see your eyes. You have to write down this question in your notebook. This is your homework. Is it clear? Now next is ears. We have 2 ears. We can hear voice and enjoy music with our sense of hearing. Okay, so we all are having 2 ears. Yes or no? So through ears we are hearing voice also and enjoying music with our sense of hearing. Is it clear? Okay, now next is taking care. Okay, how should we take care of our ear? First point is we should keep our ears clean. A soft earbud should be used to clean the ear. Okay, are you seeing this picture? This girl is with the help of the soft earbuds. Okay, she is cleaning their ear. Yes, so like this we have to clean our ears. Okay, now next point is we should not put matchstick or pins in the ear. Okay, matchsticks and the pin in the ear. Is it clear? Keep away from loud sound and music as they are bad for ear. We should not listen any loud sound. okay, or music. It should be back to our ears. Is it clear? Now there is a knowing it. Ear are our balancing organ too. Okay, this is our balancing organ also. Is it clear to everybody? Now next is nose. We have a nose. We breathe through our nose. Okay, we are breathing through the nose. Yes, the nose also make us aware of things around us through the sense of smell. Okay, okay. uh, some smell are pleasant like the fragrance of flowers and perfumes, whereas some smell are foul like the smell of garbage or a dead animal. Okay, there are two type of smells are there. Okay, uh, one, for, there, one is one smell is that is the pleasant smell, that is the fragrance of flowers or a perfume, and next is the other is the that is the that is the smell of garbages or dead animal. Okay, there are two type of smell are there. Okay, and next is, okay, till here you all understood. And now next is it, that is the taking care. How should we take care of our nose? The first point is the nose should be cleaned regularly as the hair in the nose trap dust and dirt during the breathing. Okay, this line means that in our nose we are having hairs. Okay, and when we are breathing like taking oxygen, so all the dust are enter in our nose. So we should know that hair trap all the dust and dirt. So we should clean the nose. Okay, next is we should not blow the nose noisily. Okay, next point is never put a sharp object or finger in the nose. We should not put any sharp object or finger, okay, in the nose. Is it clear? Now there is an knowing it also, that is it the blue line. Dog have the most sensitive nose. Okay, they have 25 times more smell receptors than human beings. Is it clear? So dog are dog are having sense organ how many? 25 times more smell than the human beings. Okay, through small they are observing now. Yes or no? Understood till here? Now next is the tongue. We taste with our tongue. There are taste buds on our tongue which tell us about different tastes like sweet, sour, salty and bitter. Is it clear? Means there are so many taste buds in our tongue, means small dots. Okay, so through this we are taste like sweet, sour, salty and the bitter. Okay, how now next is taking care. How should we take care of our tongue? We must use cleaner made of metal or plastic to clean the tongue. Like this, you seen this picture, this how should we clean the tongue? Like this we have to clean the tongue. Okay, we should rinse our mouth each time we eat something. When we are something, then we have to rinse. Is it clear? Rinse means that we have to clean our mouth regularly after eating. Is it clear? Now there is a blue line, that the human tongue has around 10,000 taste buds on it. How many taste buds are there? That is the small dots in our tongue. That is the 10,000. Is it clear? That is the taste buds. Okay, through this we are taste the through this we are taste. Okay, we are tasting. Is it clear? Now next is skin. We feel with our skin. The sense of touch help us to tell about the object. Our skin is so sensitive that it can even feel the touch of a features. Okay. Uh, we feel with the help of the skin. Okay. The sense of touch help us to tell us what is the object is. Okay, and our skin is so sensitive. Is it clear to everybody? And now next is there is a taking care. How should we take care of our skin? We should keep our skin in keeping clean of dirt, dust and sweat. Okay, taking bath every day help in keeping the skin clean. Okay, we should keep taking bath every day. We should take bath every day. Okay, we should protect our skin from the scorching sun as it may cause sunburns. Okay, we should cover while we are going out, we should cover our body. Okay, otherwise it should be sunburn. Is it clear? So these all are the five sense organ. How should we take care of them? Okay, next is there is one question for you. Why do we laugh when someone tickles us? Okay, I'm repeating this question again. Why do we laugh when someone tickles us? Okay, this is your homework. You have to write this question in your notebook. Is it clear? So you have to do two question in your notebook. Is it clear? So after completing this first half of the chapter, that is chapter 3rd, in next video we will completed second half of the chapter. Okay, and if you are having any doubt, you can share your video. Okay, thank you, bye bye.